right, thanks, Lauren. Well, voter turnout Tuesday was lower than expected across several cities in places like Birmingham and Hoover. Fewer than 1 in 4 registered voters showed up to the polls.
Your reporter James Giles is on your side tonight asking why so few people actually cast their ballots. James, what'd they tell you?
Well, Brittany, Steve, it was actually kind of hard finding anybody who did vote in Birmingham around the downtown Birmingham area today. But the people I spoke with who did not vote say many of them didn't even know who was on the ballot or felt like their vote wouldn't even matter. The chairman of the Jefferson County Board of Registers, Barry Stevens, says there are always a lot of factors at play when turnout is low, but one of the biggest is the candidates, whether or not they did enough to get their supporters to the polls on a hot Tuesday afternoon. And while some see the low numbers as a setback for civic engagement, Stevens says candidates may actually view it as an opening.
Well, if you're a potential candidate and you see low voter turnout, it could present an opportunity. You know, if you can get your supporters there, your church, your organizations you belong to, if you can get them, one, convince them to vote for you, and two, turn out and vote for you in a low vote environment, that could be the difference between winning and losing.
And for candidates facing a runoff next month, they will have an even tougher challenge. As Stevens says, historically, turnout in those races seem to drop below more than half. Your reporter in Birmingham, James Giles, WBRC 6 News, on your side.
All right, thanks, James.